Okay. Well, here, hold on just a second. Say hi to Janine.
Yeah, it does. It really does.
Oh, they're washing his hair.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
I've been shaking for the last 24 hours. Yeah, it really is. You know how it is. It's never the way you expect it, I guess.
You know, it's different. It's totally different.
Yeah.
You know,
It really is.
This first shampoo.
Yeah.
Fingers, 10 toes, all that
Oh,
stuff.
cute.
They don't. She's doing well. I'm actually about to go see her in recovery right now. So.
Don't see anything.
Oh, he's starting again.
Yep.
Thank you.
Oh, she's really scrubbing the hell out of him.
Oh, yeah, well, they have to get all
All right,
the
You have lost.
I'll let you go. All right.
Okay.
All right. Bye bye.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
What's up? Yeah.
Oh, he's standing here. Yeah, I said to him, he was standing here. I said, oh, here's Dr. Janine. So he's cute. He's so excited. And with his little jitters, he's even more. Yeah. Well,
You hear him.
he has those familial tremors, those essential tremors, so they're really tremoring right now. Yeah. So he's getting his first shampoo right now as we're watching. They didn't open. Pardon? No, he's not. Shannon's mom filmed it.
Hi, Janine. Yeah, I've been filming like anything,
Shannon's
but
grandma's here and her mom and dad, and her sister's on her way. So it's exciting. We were getting a little nervous, you know. We thought it would go, you know, Coleman told us they would push
who's
back
Steve talking to?
like 12 or a little after 12.
I don't want to stop watching. I don't want to call anybody. I want to see the baby.
Ring the bell when the baby's born, and we hadn't heard any bells. But he said they haven't done that yet. I guess they have to wait.